Mason County in north-central Texas, southwestern Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Princeton, or 7 miles north of Wiley, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Farmersville around 12:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Leonard and Trenton around 12:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Randolph around 12:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Westminster, Cannon, Frognet, St. Paul, Kingston, Nobility, Pilot Grove, Altoga, Easterly, and Branch. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check